Hi, Briar.
Hi.
Okay, you ready to see your early birthday present?
Yeah.
Hold it. Stay there.
It's cold. Come on.
Okay, you gotta pull the tarp off.
What do you think's under there? What do you think it is? Hey!
Dad, where you got this from? Dad, where you got this from?
I found it. What do you think?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. Then where you get it from?
What do you say?
Thank you.
Briar, you have your own dirt bike.
Is this Richard's one?
No, this is yours.
It's the same one as Richard's.
It's Briar's. Briar's dirt bike.
This is what I wanted.
Just what you wanted?
Yeah. Can I ride it?
Don't ask me, you have to ask Daddy. You gotta
Can I
get
ride it, Daddy?
Yeah, you wanna take it for a ride?
Yeah.
You gonna go slow?
Yeah.
Very slow.
Okay.